Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to solve the Wi-Fi not connecting problem in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. Suppose your Wi-Fi has some problem to you, and if it's not connecting properly, what you to do? Just go to the settings of your phone here. Go to the settings. Okay. Go to settings, then go to system management, and here go to reset options, and click on the first one, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, and click on reset settings. Here it will ask your pattern or pin if you have enabled. Okay, give it and click on reset settings here, and reset will be done for your Wi-Fi. Okay, so hereafter you will not face any such issue, not connecting problem for your Wi-Fi. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.